So I'm starting to notice more participation, and I'm starting to see some gain in skills when it comes to inferring literature um, from the from the pre-test, from the first short story to the second one. And I like what we're going with this. So I was like, should we keep on doing this? Are my students liking it? So I just wanted to put the question out because I want to still see more engagement. So I'm giving you four options, and I'm going to have a class poll to see where we should go next. Should we read informational texts, real life articles talking about important issues? This is like the Colin Kaepernick article that we read for the pretest. Are you interested in things like that? Do you want to learn more about that part of English class? Because you're going to have to do it more in eighth grade and ninth grade and seventh grade in high school, and it's something you're going to want to get better at. So is that something you want to do right now? Argumentative writing. Take a stand. Discuss your opinion and beliefs about things. So this is when you guys wrote the argument of article about um, can one person make a difference? Do writing topics like that interest you? Do you like writing about your opinion and how you feel? If you do, vote for it. Creative writing, making your own stories, or even writing about your own life, doing different topics, and we'll try to a few fun things with that if that's what you guys decide to do. That's coming from our own brains. We're gonna have to be a little more original, a little more creative, but it's fun. Or if you like what we've been doing, reading, and we could read more short stories and poems similar to what we've been doing. Maybe a few different things here and there. But if you'd like just to focus on that, if you think you're learning and you're getting better at that part of English and you want to continue down that route, I'm open to doing that as well. But I just want to see more participation. So I'm really putting it in your hands to tell me, what do you want to learn next? What do you want to talk about next? So please vote, and this should be done today so I can choose what we're doing tomorrow. Okay.